Walk through the warehouse with me.
Here is our lobby. We have everybody's offices. This is Jaya's office, our founder. She has all these lovely pictures from our customers as her background, some samples we're working on. This is my office. My husband got me flowers for Valentine's Day. Then here is the customer service office where our lovely customer service people sit. Our kitchen, bathroom, other bathroom. This is our shipping station where we print and ship our labels. We have our lovely bags here. Our big, huge mail bins. Whee! And here is our warehouse. We've got so many aisles and so many boxes. And our jewelry is in here. Our closet, so beautiful, so organized. Mwah. When we pack your order, we drive around these fun carts and pack everything. Your order goes into one of these totes. This is our beautiful scissor lift. This is how we get up to the top. Our accessories corner, where we have all the wallets, umbrellas, plushies, headbands, lanyards, anything you could want. We're going up, 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 up. To the studio. Look at what a beautiful sight. Mwah, Svaha. Welcome to our studio and our production room. Our email marketer, Emily, sits here. We have some more samples. Soon to release items. Chickens. We have some props for filming and taking photos. Our photographer, Tori, sits here. We're all set up for the studio. I filmed in here today, so you'll see another video from me very soon. This is our lifestyle room. Super cool. It looks so much bigger than it is. And then you probably know Yvonne. She works right here. So organized. And then Sierra, our production manager, works here. And then there's me. Thanks for watching. Bye.